If you were anything like me as a kid, you had a big collection of toy cars, coupes, hatchbacks, sedans, Hondas, Fords, Mercedes, red cars, blue cars, yellow cars. No matter what you collected or how you organized them, you were probably pretty proud of your collection and how fast your cars could go in a race. Thing is, you couldn't really prove it to the other kids until now. Hot Wheels ID is a new type of racer for the esteemed 50-year-old brand, but you wouldn't know that at first glance. You see, the cars look like any other 1/64th scale model vehicle you can buy at the store, but flip it over and you'll see the bottom has a lot more than the standard "Made in Malaysia" printed on it. There's now a small NFC chip embedded in the bottom of each toy car that opens up a whole new era of racing and collecting possibilities in both the real and virtual worlds. There's an app, along with a Bluetooth and NFC-enabled track kit. You build the track like you would any other Hot Wheels set, though the app will walk you through it. It even knows when you make a mistake, since all the track pieces connect to each other via USB. Then you register your cars with the app by tapping them against your device, and drop them on the track for an old-fashioned Hot Wheels race. Well, only a bit old-fashioned. You'll still propel them with a pump launcher, timing your pushes just right to keep up your car's speed without sending it flying off the track. Where it gets newfangled is that there's an NFC reader in the track sending info back to the app on each vehicle's speed and number of laps taken. So now every individual ID car you play with will have a record of how long and how far it's traveled and how fast it went. Nerdier kids will enjoy the number crunching aspect of it, and those who just love going fast can optimize their collection with the best racers. As for kids who love video games, well, Hot Wheels ID has a lot to offer them too. You see, there's a whole game inside the app as well. Scanning a vehicle in via a phone, tablet, or the NFC track itself creates a virtual copy of it, one that can be raced on a series of virtual tracks. You won't need to pump to make your car go faster, but you do need to tap your screen and tilt your phone to win the race instead. You'll earn power-ups to enhance your virtual collection and even unlock app-exclusive cars. The one thing you don't get is unlimited play. Each vehicle will actually require a rest period from time to time. You'll either have to wait it out like you do in a lot of free-to-play mobile games, or take your Need for Speed to the physical track for a little while. If you play with the real car in the real world for a few minutes, it recharges the virtual car so it's ready for more video game racing. This way kids can stay engaged with the toy itself. It's a lot like LEGO's new Hidden Side line of toys, which use augmented reality to add a virtual overlay onto the physical sets and require children to be active in both worlds to get the most out of the playsets. And that's what Mattel is aiming to do with Hot Wheels ID as well. Kids love video games, but also still enjoy playing with real toys. These new NFC vehicles play into everything you enjoyed as a kid about Hot Wheels, the racing and the collecting. You don't even need to toss aside your old track. The new pieces can be connected to classic track with special connectors for even crazier creations. Also crazy is the collection of cars available, ranging from well-known brands like Tesla and Ford to fantastical creations like a Stegosaurus car and the Batmobile. One caveat about Hot Wheels ID is that it won't come cheap. There will be 51 different cars to collect this year alone, and they'll cost $7 each. The track itself comes as a starter set for $180, though you can snag an NFC race portal for just $40. Again, they're all solidly made and come in a sturdy box that can later be used for storage. Parents will love how easy the track is to clean up. Hot Wheels ID is set to arrive in the Apple online store today. So yeah, the app is going to be iOS exclusive at first. Android users will get their first crack at ID on Prime Day when the product goes on sale through Amazon, with the app hitting both Google Play and Amazon's App Store over the summer. It'll hit Target this fall. If you want to hear more about the latest tech toys coming out just in time for the holiday season, hit like and subscribe.